Welcome to a video by Abron Export. So these are different water baths and stirrers by Abron. This is a water bath with a shaker stirrer is there inside. There is control also for the stirring of the chamber, and the chamber is having a area and the tray for test tube. You can put the test tube stand in this. This has a stirrer inside, and this controller is PID control. Second one is the water bath only digital control, and this has a chamber where you can put 2 or 3 test tube stands as per the size you need. It's all fully stainless steel outside and inside, and top is also stainless steel. The third one is a paraffin water bath or paraffin melting or embedding water bath. You can see it also is having the digital control. And then there are 6 of holes, 4 chambers and 4 tubes. 5 tubes are there, and 1 master. On the side there is a slide warming table, slide warming area. Please visit the website for every individual item. Detailed information is there, and please visit the website and send us an email on abron01@gmail.com and www.abronexports.com. Thank you very much.